The shift in search. The way people search has changed faster than most businesses can keep up. Today, answers aren't spread across 10 blue links. They're compressed into AI assistants, summaries, and sidebars. Entire web pages, boiled down to a single response. Here's the catch. If you're not visible inside those responses, you're invisible. Period. This is your beginner-friendly guide to becoming discoverable when AI is the one doing the answering. Why this matters. It's not just about ranking anymore. What matters now is being recognized, referenced, and surfaced by systems that analyze intent, context, and credibility. That sounds overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With the right foundation, you can shape your content so AI systems actually consume it, trust it, and present it. That's how your brand shows up where attention is moving. Visibility in AI-driven results isn't optional. It's the new baseline. For beginners, where to focus. When you're starting out, the hardest part is knowing what not to waste time on. This isn't about hacks or chasing algorithms. It's about understanding how AI compiles and verifies answers. Building habits that make your content eligible to be included. Keeping it simple and repeatable. Your goal isn't complexity, it's consistency. Step-by-step benefits. By following this path, you'll be able to grasp how AI assistants source and rank information structure content so machines can parse it cleanly. Establish credibility signals that boost your chances of being cited. Publish without guesswork using a repeatable, beginner-friendly system. Move from invisible to included without needing advanced tools. The secret? Clarity and consistency. If AI can extract your content without guessing, you win. You don't need to be a techie. Forget coding, forget big teams. What you need is a reliable process that translates what you already know into formats AI understands. That's the fastest path from I publish something to AI systems are actually using it. The RISES framework, relevance, intent, structure, evidence. Sharing relevance. Focus on user intent. Define people, places, tools, and terms clearly so there's no ambiguity. Intent. Start with the real questions people ask. First sentence, the question. Second, the answer. Keep the scope narrow. Structure. Use consistent name, clear headings, short paragraphs, bullet points, and one idea per section. Easy to parse, easy to cite. Evidence. Add trust anchors, references, dates, short examples, tiny data points. Sharing. Repurpose and distribute the same idea across formats. Article, short video, FAQ, using the same terminology. Consistency compounds. If it's relevant, intentional, structured, evidenced, and shared, it's easy to include. What this looks like in practice. Start with a 1 to 2 sentence direct answer, follow with a 3 to 5 step walkthrough. Add a definitions box for key terms. Include 3 to 5 FAQs that mimic real user queries. Provide one example or template to anchor the idea. End with a 3-point recap. If you only remember 3 things. This isn't about tricks. It's about making your content undeniable. Immediate wins for this week topic. Clustering. Pick one theme. Create 5 tightly related answers using shared terms. Terminology lock. Use the same name for your process or template across every post, evidence sprinkling. Add one source link, one data point, or one date to each piece. Extraction-ready formatting. Short sentences, labeled steps, and clear headings. Do this, and you'll have content that feels natural for humans and legible to machines. Remember, you don't need tricks. You need a framework. When you make it simple, clear, and credible, AI systems can't help but pull you in. That's how you move from invisible to invincible.